Welcome guys, so today I am with this Beats Studio 3 headset and I'm gonna show you how we can charge this headset. So at the first you have to rotate the device like that, and in this place you will find macro USB port. It appears right here. So you need the cable with this kind of the end, and it looks like that. Let me just grab it. There it is. Let me just catch focus. So that's the end of the cable. We have to plug it right here for sure. And the second end, that's the USB-A, as you can see. And you can plug it to your PC, to your laptop, or you can also plug it to this kind of the charging brick from your phone. And the end of the brick, just plug it right here. And as you can see right now, it's charging. When you take a look on these indicators, it just lights up. It's blinking actually, and it means that the charging is on the way. So when all of these indicators will be highlighted, it means that the device is fully charged, and you can unplug the cable. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.